Hello everyone, it is me, Vesku, here with a new or another tool bag tour. Tool bag tour. Um, so this tool bag is new. The bag as itself is, many fucking years old, but I just got it. It's a Czech Republic surplus military bag. So it's pretty fucking cool. Not gonna lie, I fucking love it, and the look of it, and even the smell because it has that fucking cool old smell. I get, or maybe that's just me. But yeah, let's get right into it. Which bucket should we start with first? Let's start with this one. So it has like these kind of style pockets. They're fucking how you seal them. So you gotta have to fiddle with them a little bit, but it's fine. So let's see, what do we have in here? We have a screwdriver, those where you have these interchangeable bits on it. So you have like, what do I have? I have slotted ones. There's, I think, from 2.5 millimeters to 5.5. I think there's Phillips 1 and 2 sizes, and then there's Posey 1 and 2, and then there's Thorx 10, 15, 20 and 25, I think. Those are the sizes. And this one was pretty fucking cheap, so it's a kind of a, I haven't really tested it out yet, but it's gonna be like what I have in my pocket of all the time until, if the latch breaks, I have some more screwdrivers in there, because this was cheap, so you never know if it's gonna break easily or if it's gonna be good. In some fucking Chinese bulk manufactured one, so it's gonna have some random fucking brands on it that you never heard of. This one is Niche branded one. Probably can find these on Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, all sorts of sites that sell cheap stuff. So that's that bucket. And I still need to fill this tool bag up with more stuff. It doesn't have everything yet that I need at work. Then we have this bucket where I have my pliers, some of the threadcutters, these Nipex flush cut ones that I use for data, and cable ties. And then I have some cheap strippers. The video is gonna be probably pretty dark because I don't have the bigger lights on because they fuck up the lighting. But anyway, some cheap strippers that go from 20 AVG to 10, so it's from 0.80 to 2.6 millimeter. And strippers are they really don't have to be expensive to work well, so that's good. And this has been pretty trustworthy this far, and they kind of have this guard on them so your hand doesn't slip, so that's good. And they have rubber here. Then I have, what's that? Oh yeah, some bit for drill. it goes there for some reason. I don't know why I put it there. Then I have some side cutters. These been pretty good. They really don't have the, you know, when some side cutters have that pretty fucking annoying hole there, so when you cut, it's kinda, you know, it doesn't cut all the way through on a cable or something. So these are pretty good. Have been good so far. These can go back here. So yeah, this is how, if it will show, you can see. You probably can't because it's so fucking dark. Let's see, let me put that up. That didn't do anything. Great, well, you just do that, put it through the fucking buckle, and through again, and tighten it until it stays closed. That's not the wrong way, is it? Yeah, that's not the wrong way. Fuck. This is gonna take a little bit. I'm sorry. Come on. There we go. Then the main pocket. Let's see. Let's take these strings out of there, and that buckle like that. Then you can like open it up wider. First thing that came in the hand is a fluke non-contact volt thing, pencil, volt or alert, whatever you want to call it. You know most of how these work. You just fucking have a hot wire and it's gonna beep when it's hot. Of course, don't just only use these to trust what is hot, what is not, you know. They don't always work very well, so be careful with these. Let's see what's next. Some cheap level. It's pretty sturdy, so, and the magnets okay. It's just a cheap level, since I don't have much money yet. You might think these are Vera screwdrivers by the look of this, but it's not. It's some cheap Vera molded screwdrivers. So never used yet, so I don't know if they're gonna be good or anything, but these are like a backup if these fail. I have a multiple set of those. Fuck, all the pens came out. Oh well. And then some, of course you're gonna have some, you know, take out stuff. Do not open, do not operate, whatever. Just so you don't get zapped by some fucking dumb cunts. Yeah, some colored markers, because you never know when you need to color some stuff and print some stuff down on in different colors. So that's something. Or else a cheap cable strip thing, Yokari, I think that's what you call it. This is made by Finbullet. It's probably mass produced in China too. It doesn't say anywhere, but it goes from 8 to 28 millimeters, so it's pretty good. It goes from, you know, it's wide. It opens fucking easily. I've seen many that are hard to fucking operate because they're so stiff, and that's fucking annoying. What else do we have here? More markers, screwdrivers, a Ironside screwdriver kit, you know, bit kit that I've fucking lost a screwdriver in off, and that fucking sucks because it's an expensive kit. So now I don't have the bits. I need to fucking find a screwdriver if it's not being stolen or something. So that's always fun. A voltage stick by Unity. This was for cheap, so I had to buy it as a light. You know what voltage sticker probably if you're a fucking electrician, you know. A adjustable wrench, always good to have. Don't have like specific sized wrenches yet, so that's that. Tape, electrical tape. Of course you're gonna have the ground, neutral and live colors. Might have some more like 24 volt stuff. A screwdriver bit set again by Panko. This is a good set. I like it. I love it. It has everything in it. Almost everything, not security bits though. So we have more safety tagout stuff, and this kind of wire stripper. It's been really, it's kind of easy, good use when there's stuff in a hard to reach place with a normal stripper. So you fucking put it the wire here and fucking rip it out. That's fucking good to use sometimes. Do I have anything else? Another fucking cable stripper with wire stripper on it. What size does this go from? If I can see, 6mm to 0.5mm. So it covers pretty much everything. Oh fuck. Sorry, my stitch just all kind of fucking annoying right now. What else? More tagout stuff, pencils, screwdrivers. Oh yeah, box cutter. This is a bigger one that I usually use, so, but still it's a box cutter. I cut myself with a box cutter. These are fucking sharp as fuck. Better watch out when using this. Preferably use safety gloves when operating anything sharp. Even though it might be fucking annoying and you think, oh, I'm not a fucking little bitch, I don't need to fucking use safety gloves. Better fucking use them. When you cut yourself, you're gonna be fucking thinking, why the fuck did I use them? So, always use safety gloves. Let's put these back in here. I might have to fucking light up the video in post. So that's gonna be that. I do apologize if it's gonna be dark. Anyway, if I light it up in post. Come on, there we go. Then we have a light. I could prop this up. No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So better lighting. A knife. A basic knife. For like carving shit out. Pretty useful as always. Crimps and stripper plus the bolt cutting thing. Pretty useful. Especially when you have to like have a bolt at a certain size. A tape measure. This is a pretty small tape measure, but it's been good for so far, so I haven't needed a bigger one. Of course, a hammer. This is a pretty small sized hammer, but it's pretty good. I really don't like the bigger hammers because First of all, they are kinda annoying to carry, and you can fucking... Oh, if you have a certain... If you're in a certain place, it's gonna be hard to fucking use them. So... A smaller hammer works. Is that all? I think that's all. So that's all for now. I might do an update later on when I get more tools into the bag, or if I happen to get more of these kind of bags, because I fucking like these. So that's for it for today, and always keep hydrated, drink water, eat, love yourself, and that will be it. Goodbye.